My name's Amelia, but my friends and family call me Mills, and I'm the founder and owner of Mills Knows Bills. And I just want to take a minute to say thank you so much for being here and welcome to my YouTube channel. Some of you may be wondering, well, what is Mills Knows Bills? Here I will discuss practical budget setting tips, how to spend your money wisely, and I will also provide exclusive interviews with various experts to help give you powerful information to take control of your finances. Unless you took a finance course, and even then, unless you took a personal finance course, you weren't taught this information in school. And I feel like there's this preconceived notion or almost guilt that we hold within ourselves that we should know all of this information naturally. It's not natural. It doesn't come natural to most people. And you know what? That's okay. 5 years ago, I was where you are now. And you know what? I've spent the past 5 years working towards my financial freedom, and I want to help you get there too. So if you find yourself that your finances are controlling you, or you just have no idea where to start in the budget setting process, subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any videos. And if you want first access to special tools or information or any special newsletters, you're going to want to subscribe to my email list as well, found at millsknowsbills.com. Thank you so much for being here, and I look forward to seeing you all soon. Bye!